If you want to know how I make this homemade croissant, keep watching, and thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. Here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have half cup of warm water, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1 cup of flour. I'm just going to mix everything together. That's what I'm going to do. I'm mixing everything together. Then I will set aside for 10 minutes. Okay, as you can see, I'm mixing the yeast with the sugar. Then I'll add my 1 cup of flour. Okay, I'm adding the flour right now. Then I'm going to mix them together. Okay, after mixing, I will set aside to rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm still mixing. I don't want any lumps on it, that's why I'm still mixing it. Just mix it all together. Mix it all together and I'll set aside. Okay, in another bowl I have half cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, then 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of melted butter. Then I'm going to whisk them together. Whisking all together. I'm going to mix them together. You're going to mix, and it's going to yummy in your tummy. Okay, then I'll add my other ingredient that I've set aside earlier for 10 minutes to rise. Then I'm just adding it to it. Then I'll mix it together. You just have to mix them together. Okay, mix together, mix together. Then after mixing together, I have a 4 cup of flour, but I'm not going to add everything. I will just maybe add half of it. Then I'll whisk it together. I'll whisk together with my electric mixer. Keep whisking together. Then I'll add the rest half of the flour to it. Then I'll use my hand. My hands are clean. I'll use my hand to mix the flour together, mix everything together so that everything will incorporate together properly. Okay, I keep kneading, okay. Then after, I'll use a kitchen cloth and cover it. I would like to rest for 1 hour. Okay, then after 1 hour, look at our dough. Okay, I'll bring it out from the bowl. Then add some flour, and the place is clean. I just add some flour so that it won't be sticky. All I just need, I'll need it again. Just knead it more. Then I'll separate it. Okay, I'll cut it into 4 parts. Then I'll separate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to share it into 4 equal parts. I'll share it into 4 equal parts. Then I'll work with 1 part of it. Okay. I'll just roll the dough. I'll roll it together. I'll just roll it. Then I'll add some butter to it. Okay, I'll just add some butter. Then I'll keep it aside. Then I'll do the other parts. I'm gonna do the 4 parts. I'll just flatten the dough. Then I'll add some butter to it. I'll add butter to it again. I'll do all 4. Then what I'm going to do right now again, I'll have to roll the dough again. I'll roll them as you are seeing right now. I'll roll them again. I'll roll everything together to make a big circle. Okay, I'm just rolling it together. Roll it together, roll it together, roll it together, roll it, roll it, roll it. I'm gonna separate it again in 4 parts. Then okay, I'm just gonna separate it again and knead it. Then I'll roll the dough and turn it into a croissant. Okay, guys. I'm doing this for breakfast. Breakfast time now for the kids. This is early in the morning, guys. I'm doing this video. It's early, like maybe 5 a.m. in the morning, because I want it to be hot. By the time the kids wake up, they will have a fresh croissant to eat. And trust me, guys, this was so good. They love it, and they love this croissant, guys. If you haven't tried croissant before, try and make your one. Okay, homemade stuff is the best. Okay, I'm rolling it right now to my desired shape. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just roll it to your desired shape if you want. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay, because you are not going to sell it, you're going to eat it at home. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Any shape you like, anyhow you roll it, the most important thing is it tastes good. The most important thing is it tastes good. The kids love it. It doesn't matter if the shape is perfect or not. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate this. I'm gonna do another batch. Okay, I'm rolling another one right now. I'm just gonna cut it in 4. Then I make a triangle. Then if you like, you can cut a line between the triangle and roll it. Okay, any shape, anyhow you want. Okay, just keep doing, just roll it, just roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. Yes, just roll that like that. Okay, if you don't want it to be sticky, you just have to rub some flour on top of the surface. Okay, that way it won't be sticky. You just keep rolling. You see, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'll put it in my pan. I'll put it in a pan. Then I'll use my whisk egg yolk to rub it. Okay, so that by the time you bake it, the color will be shiny. Color will be shiny. The color will be shiny. Yeah, I'm just gonna rub it all over the croissant. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Try this for breakfast for your kids. They will love it. Okay, your kids will love it, and you will like it too. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it right everything together. I'm just going to cover it and I like to set for another 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'll put it in the oven. I put my oven 350 degree and I bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. There you have it. Our croissant is done. Look at it, guys. This croissant was so yummy. It was so yummy. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate the love, the support. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on my next one.